We're out here on Crooked Creek this afternoon to take a look at some stream bank stabilization work that the department completed back in 2018. If you've been following our Facebook page recently, you've seen a lot of information about stream form and process, about the department's approach to stream bank stabilization and restoration, and you've even seen some drone video about Crooked Creek itself. Recently, we talked about coconut fiber rolls being used to stabilize the toe of slope, and then us reshaping the slope and putting seed and erosion control blanket up above to stabilize that portion of the stream bank. During the flood event of February and March of 2018, several of the stream banks in this reach of Crooked Creek suffered from severe stream bank erosion. The farmer was ready to undertake some stream bank stabilization work himself, but worked with the department to enact some of our bioengineering practices to stabilize the stream bank. In this example here, the stream bank forces and erosive forces were too high to use coconut fiber roll, so the department has to use more sturdy material like rock or tree root balls in order to stabilize the toe of the slope, which is the most sensitive and fragile part of the stream bank, especially on these outside bends where erosive forces are at their greatest. So what you can see here after 2 growing seasons, you can see a little bit of the riprap, the rock, along the toe of the slope. We built that toe and restabilized that toe using the riprap, then reshaped the stream bank up above, installed native grass seed, and then erosion control blanket. What's happened is this stream bank has become totally restabilized. A nice scour pool's formed along the outside bend. We're standing right now on a point bar on the inside bend, and I think it's a very successful example of a bioengineering approach to stream bank stabilization.